Hi, good day, my YouTube friends. Thank you for tuning in. As you can see here, we got three tickets here. The two, one on Monday, the 24th, and the other one on yesterday, 25th. Okay. As you can see, we got 23 odds warning, and then 19 odds, and then 7 odds. Okay. All of them did one. So now we are going to check at the current bet that I did create today. It's up to you if you want to use the strategies. Okay. Let's see. This is the options I have today. First of all, we got Cameroon from Cameroon Elite One, uh, Canon Sportive Wayonde versus Bambotas FC Dambota. I have predicted a double chance Canon Sportive to win or draw in under 2.5 goals. Then we have in the Slovakian Third Liga West FKM Nov Zamki versus OK Kraskov. I have predicted the home team to win. And then on leg three, we got from the Nigeria Premier League, Arabia Warriors up against Lobby Stars, and I predicted Arabia, the home team, to win. Then leg four, we got from the Serbian Cup, FK Crvena Zvezda Belgrade versus OFK Belgrade. I have predicted for the home team to win. Then here, Germany Regional Liga Northeast, Greifswalder FC up against Semi Leipzig, the home team to win. And then we have the UEFA Champions League women, okay? Olympic Lyon up against Bayern Munich. I've predicted both teams to score. And then we have from Egypt, second division, Al Makaroon up against Monta, whatever the name is. I have predicted the home team to win. And then again from the UEFA Champions League women, Arsenal up against Real Madrid. And I predicted both teams to score. Then we got El Salvador Primera Division Clausura. Okay, whatever year it is, I've predicted Aguilas and Miguel to win that game. Okay, so we got a total odds of 29.02. You can stake whatever you can afford, guys. If you stake 100 Rand, it would be 29. No, yes, 2,900. If you stake 100,000, 29,000, and etc. 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 I believe it will come in. Uh, I will do more tickets and I will say it. I will edit it onto this video, so I will just take screenshots and you will see it onto the video. Okay, guys. So yes, thank you for your time, guys. Be blessed.